Hi, my name is Katie. Welcome to What Math?
What?
That's the name of my channel here on YouTube. Why is it called What Math? Well, have you ever been sitting in class or on your couch watching Zoom and your teacher
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
teacher goes through a problem, they explain some things, and then you're just like,
What?
What do you mean?
this channel is for you because let's be honest, math is hard and sometimes we don't get a very good math teacher. I'm a teacher and I'm just saying, it's real. The struggle is real in math class. This specific series of lessons that I will introduce is for finite mathematics and business. But if you're in algebra, if you're in sort of introductory college algebra class, whether it's for business or not, this will be the channel for you. Heck, if you're in high school, this will be the channel for you. So before we start lesson 1.1, price demand function, we need to review linear equations. Linear equations, the word is right there, line, okay? Anytime you have an equation in this particular format, your answer will be a line on the coordinate plane or the graph, okay? Let's talk about what some of these letters mean. These letters are just like words. This is a math sentence. You could write the same thing in English or Spanish or Mandarin or any language, right? But to make math more universal, some people, I don't know who, chose letters. Let's start with the M. The M is your slope, okay? How steep the line is. Is it really steep? Is it not so steep? The slope is the change in Y. This means delta. Delta means change. I think it's Greek. I don't really know, and you don't have to either. Just remember it means change. So the change in Y, how much does your line increase on the Y-axis or decrease on the Y-axis? Divided by over your change in X, delta X. How much does your point move to the right, positive, or to the left, negative, on the X-axis? One pro tip, this is how I remember the axes, I think that's a word, because it's really easy to confuse horizontal and vertical. Look here, you can make the letter Y, and that's your Y-axis. You can make the letter Y on the Y-axis. You can't do that on the X because then it would be a sideways Y. Oh, but look, you can make an X. Oh yeah, life hack. All right, let's move on to B. B is your Y-intercept. Why did they pick B? I don't know, it will confuse children and young people and adults till the end of time. B is where your line intercepts or crosses the Y-axis. So right here. X is always 0 for the Y-intercept. And then we got our Y and our X, and you just have to remember that is a point on the line, right? This is a formula, an equation that helps you find any point on a given line. So for example, here our X is 5, I go over 5, and our Y is 10, I go up 10. So those are your basics for a linear equation, Y equals mx plus b. Let's jump into lesson 1.1, price demand functions. What?